Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here on January 2nd, 2025. Happy New Year to everybody. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 70 Plymouth Barracuda. This comes from David in Gladstone, Oregon, and it is now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth. And by his request, and also he's requested a new harness in place of the original connector, so we get a huge increase in output power. Let's go ahead and check her out before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate some functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright. So here we go.
Enrollment results may
Here
vary.
on AM.
Attention! Have you racked up $10,000 or more in credit card debt? Are you
Okay,
barely
we got
getting
our,
by making minimum payments?
balance
With
control.
credit card debt reaching all-time highs, National Debt Relief is notifying
right,
consumers about significant
left,
debt relief options
right,
currently being made
left.
available to help those with overwhelming credit card debt.
Okay,
These
and since this radio now has 4 speaker outputs, we also have a virtual front-rear fader. That's going to be in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how we activate and adjust that. We're just going to take our tone control to the center position and then turn it upwards twice, returning it to the center position each time.
So don't wait.
Well, here we
If you
go.
owe 10, 20, or even
Fader adjust.
Okay.
credit card debt, you
All the
can
way
now
front.
take advantage of financial debt relief as
rear.
the cost of living.
Whoop.
Fader set.
800-885-2020.
Okay, I messed up. I turned the wrong time. So let's try it again.
That's 800-885-2020.
Are you having trouble hearing? Hearing
Fader adjust.
Okay.
quality of your life.
All the way
Now
front.
there's an affordable fix
All the
for
way
you
rear.
or your loved one.
Front.
Rated in the best hearing aids of
Rear.
2024 by USA
Center.
Today, Audion Hearing has the highest quality.
Fader
Fader set.
Devices.
Okay, let's make sure the
489.
Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Better than my old spot.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
I
heard
believe
that.
how much
Okay, now
area
we're going to
it
move over to FM, which we do on this radio by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. So, okay, now we're on AM. Turn it off, then right back on. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to station in my area for a quick test.
Y que tomada de tu mano voy a salir victorioso.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
On the beach, go out and gather a few. You can be. Don't underestimate, gotta travel on you. Get out now, circulate. And we'll settle down in the nearest goodbye. It's worth the living.
Alrighty. Pull the plunger, tape comes out, radio comes back. So we're good to go here. Let's make sure the dial light goes on and off, and it does. Yep, nice soft blue glow there. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from that website, just on the home page, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all your questions should be answered on the work order as you're filling it out. And that keeps me on the bench and off the phone as much as possible so that I can get the work done. So please observe that and do that research before calling me. Once you've got a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, David, for your business from Oregon, and we'll see you guys next time.